So we're doing a test fit assembly of the new Motobilt 1212 spare tire carrier for the Gladiator trucks. Starting off with 5/16 hardware. It's going to set on top. All these ones just go the same way. If you want it a different way, you can put it however you feel like it. This is just the way we have it set up. If I can pick it up. Really simple, goes right on top of the rails that we have for the JTs already. There is a front and a rear to these brackets. If you'll notice here, this is a 1/2-inch hole that's slotted. You have one here and one here, and then you have another 1/2-inch hole here that's not slotted, and a regular 1/2-inch hole. And these are for multi-use mounts for high lift jacks or whatever you can find to put on there. We'll just give it a quick loose assembly. So that gives you the quickness. You can also do this on the car if it's easier, or assemble it on a bench or in your garage on the floor if you have a couple buddies and you can lift it up in there. We find it's easier to do it on the car. And actually, yeah, this way we have it with the Motobilt logo going towards the back of the vehicle. That would be the front of the vehicle. Then we have two different mounts for the spare tire. This is your base, put in there with 3/8 hardware. This is for a 5-lug application for most Jeeps. This is for an 8-lug if you do have 1 tons under it. 8 on 6.5 bolt pattern. This guy sets up in here just like that. There's a couple different bolt holes in there, so you can adjust it to the height of your tire. And it just sits on there. Or you can turn it around. Doesn't really matter. It's owner's discretion on how they want it to sit, how it fits. And that would be it for the spare tire mount. We also have the MollyPal assessment. This would be for the driver's side to clear around your fuel tank filler. This is your passenger side. Fits on there. All your holes line up in here. All these line up with your bed rails, with the Motobilt bed rails. You could take this off if you don't want to run a spare, if you got too big of a spare. And you can run our smaller basket that we have. That's pretty much it.